What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to rotate and flip photos in Adobe Lightroom CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After importing photos into Lightroom, you will see them in the photo grid. Double-click a photo to open it. To quickly rotate your photo, open up your Crop and Rotate menu, and here you will find these Rotate and Flip options. These options allow you to rotate the image by 90 degrees or mirror it horizontally or vertically. In case you want to use a specific rotation amount and not 90 degrees, then make use of this slider system. It will allow you to manually change the crop from -45 to +45 degrees. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.